Yes, you can start.
Okay. Yeah. One day, my teacher and I walked down to the well house. Someone was stra- drawing water, and my teacher placed my hand in the sprouts. As the cooling stream gushed over, she spelled up and she spelled into the word water. First slowly and then rapidly. I
Teacher, can
stood
you share
still,
the
my
screen?
whole attention fixed upon the motion of her fingers. Suddenly, somehow, the mystery of language was revealed to me. I knew then what water means the wonderful cool something that was flowing over my hand. That loving word awakened my soul, gave it light, hope, joy, and set it free.
Okay. Uh, the one who was saying that, can you share the screen? Can you please read that paragraph again?
Okay. One day, my teacher and I walked down to the well house. Someone was drawing water, and my teacher placed my hand under the spot. As the cold stream gushed over, no, me- as as the gold stream gushed over one hand, she spelled into the other the word water, water.
Water.
First slowly and then rapidly. I stood still, my whole my whole attention fixed upon the motion of her fingers. Suddenly, somehow, the mystery of language was
Reveals.
revealed to me. I knew then that water means one uh, wonderful, cool something that was flowing over my hand. That living
Word.
word awakened my soul, gave it light, hope, joy, and set it free.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now quickly take a notebook or something in which we are going to write few words, and that's your that's your homework.
Teachers have home. Teacher, is that hard words?
Yes, that's the difficult words. Let me share it again. Okay.
Teacher, can you share the first screen, the first page? I did not got to write any.
From the first page, write down dumb, D-U-M-B, dumb. Next word is eventful, E-V-N-T-F-U-L. Porch, P-O-R-C-H.
Teacher, can you repeat the second word? I then got to
Eventful, eventful, E-V-E-N-T-F-U-L, full. Okay, next word is unusual, U-N-U-S-U-A-L, unusual. Next is approaching, A-P-P-R-O-C-H-I-N-G. How many words are there total that I have told you? I think four.
teacher, dumb, eventful, and
Approaching, A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G. CHING, approaching.
Porch.
And then fourth one is, yes, porch, PORCH. You know what is it?
It means you're
Just
going
write it
to
down. It's okay.
someone.
Miss, you also
Okay.
gave us the word unusual and vaguely.
Yes. Write down unusual and vaguely. And also reveal. 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 Done?
Teacher, can you mark it on
Yes.
the paper? I can't see it because I can't because for me my everyone's voice is cracking.
Okay, sure. Dumb.
Hello?
Yes. One, two, three, four, five, six. Total 6 words from this page.
Yes, I have 6 words.
Miss, you
Okay.
forgot to put in eventful.
Oh, sorry. Yes, eventful as well.
Teacher, there's vaguely.
Total 7 words.
Teacher, there's vaguely.
Yes, also regularly. Okay. Then your task is to write down the one word meaning of these words. And we will discuss this tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. So we just write these in
Yes.
a word meaning column.
Yes. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you.
Okay, Miss. Teacher, can you repeat the task?
The task is you have to write one word meaning of these underlined words. We will discuss this tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.